Imagine this. You're at a cafe. Someone says something ridiculous, and you raise one eyebrow and say, I literally can't. Welcome to Speak English Like a Netflix Character. I'm Charlotte, and today we're going beyond boring classroom phrases. We're talking sass, sarcasm, attitude, the kind of English that makes your words snap. Before we hit play on this episode, pause your life and smash that subscribe button. Like this episode if you love Netflix and secretly wish your life had background music. Section 1. Say it like Wednesday. Deadpan Queen. I find social interaction exhausting. Lesson. How to sound sarcastic and dry. Vocabulary. Exhausting. Thrilled, used ironically. Delightful. Section 2. 11 from Stranger Things. Friends don't lie. Emphasizing honesty, loyalty, friendship. Learn how to sound heartfelt without being too dramatic. Section 3. Emily in Paris. Fake it till you make it. Phrases for confidence, fashion, work hustle. Use. This outfit? Iconic, period. Section 4. Geralt from The Witcher. Sometimes less is more. Using short words, grunts, pauses, tone. Bonus. Power word phrases like destiny is a beast. Mini roleplay practice. This plan is chaos, but you know what? I'm in. Heist crew tone. We've got one shot, let's slay. Squad energy. All right, binge babies, that's your Netflix crash course in Slaylish. Slay English. Remember, it's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your Netflix-loving crew. Catch you in the next one until then. Stay bold, stay fluent, and maybe start narrating your life like it's a drama series.